Is that the charging station? Oh, I thought the charging station was the...
Yeah, this man is holding the car.
1320 Video goes to Germany to dig up as much badass content as we can across the country. In this series, we speed across the Autobahn, go sightseeing in several spots across the country, visit several of the best builders and tuners in the region, stumble across a massive private European car collection, get down at the Race 1000 top speed half-mile event, fall in love with the Nürburgring, get an inside look at a GT3 race in Belgium, and much more. Let's get right to it.
Yes, and here we have an original VR6. Zero kilometers. Zero.
Oh, really?
I don't know where
It's so quiet.
right in the number.
Okay, yeah. Sweet. But you get free money. Oh, that's not money. Anyway, we're gonna head to some workshops. We're heading on our way up to a Race 1000 airport, and gonna see a couple different workshops on the way, and maybe see Donkey Tech Dyno. Let's hop in the car and see where we end up.
No. Not.
Get back in your hole.
Alright.
Manufacturer. Oh, RS3.
Oh, there's your buddy, you know, laughing.
Shut up! Fuck you! Like, because he always sees me in weird rentals. Last time I showed up in a hybrid and he's like,
well, at least it fits in the same spot as the smart car.
Yeah.
We trade?
Nah. I just got so used to that.
Oh boy. Dang. That sounds nice. Oh yeah.
It's like stock.
It does look stock. And you're thinking how much horsepower?
At the moment we think of 600 and a bit.
What?
Yeah. But
no.
We just finished it yesterday by 11.
It's all behind the heat shield.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We can warm it.
Whoa.
Want to go for a spin?
Sure.
Yeah, straight away or like go inside?
Let's well, it's already started.
Yeah.
I love it. You meet someone and 2 minutes later you're in their car going for a ride in a 600 horsepower RS3.
Sick.
Jeez, it's not quiet.
Yeah.
Look, it's got full like 3D.
Yeah, it's full Google Earth supported and yeah.
Can't see it.
Yeah, so set down the windows.
Oh, that feels good.
And it's crackled.
Yeah, that's nice.
Jeez.
That's real nice.
Yeah, no spinning wheels and
No.
good tires. Everything is pretty
Like
fine.
that on a quadro, on a dry road. It's wheel spin. It's like,
Yeah.
that's awesome.
With 4 people in the car.
Yeah.
And the air conditioning on.
And we had barbecue every evening, so we're happy.
What is this?
PG is like similar to a P-Box, but it's like more affordable.
Okay.
And it takes videos as well.
Yeah. Great work. Perfect.
That thing is fucking crazy.
I'm like, I know he sees the car up here. You like the brakes more than the acceleration, don't you? You would love Corvettes.
He bought the car on Monday this week, received the turbocharger and the intercooler and all the stuff on Wednesday, and yesterday we picked up the car.
This car?
Yeah. This
And you just put the turbo on it?
Yeah, everything by from Tuesday to yesterday.
Oh my god. Weird.
And this is all original automatic transmission.
Oh, really?
So I didn't do anything. If you just get slower, it just wow.
Damn. Oh, cool. Kind of sounds like
They're all like breaking the neck.
it has such a unique sound to it.
Yeah. It's like, they think it's like thunder rolling.
Six-cylinder, right?
5.
Oh, that's why. It's half of a V10, so that's what it sounds like.
Like dirty or something.
Yeah.
A bit, not like just straight 6 cylinders or 4. There's always one is making noise between.
Jesus. Very impressive. So what is? Oh,
No!
look at that. Ooh.
Maybe we can have a look if somebody's
Classic car dealership. So on our drive through town, we made a little detour. We're here at Pannhorst, and we saw a Ferrari through the window, and I had to take a little tour. And so we've got Elmer?
Yes, it's correct.
Gonna take us through a tour of the shop and show us what you guys are all about.
Okay.
Let's see what you got inside. Whoa.
And there we
Oh my
go.
God.
So this is done. And this is not even the exhibition. It is more like the workshop, which you can see over here.
These are all cars that are in progress of like restoration?
Yeah, there are some restorations of some rooftops and also a lot of leather working. There are some cars. Yeah, and remember, still, it's not the exhibition. It's not the exhibition.
So you guys bring cars in to restore
Yes.
and then sell them here?
We have many cars for a lot of years already in the shop. Most of them are already restorated, and some of them are, or most of them are for sale.
Okay.
And on some, still there's some work to do, which we can see later. Yeah, there's a nice
Oh wow.
old.
A purple Rolls. It's got a purple interior.
Not all in my mind.
No way. It's like a Crown Royal purple.
Yeah,
fans love it.
there's a old Beetle, but it's not a Beetle. It's actually a Porsche.
What?
Yeah, there's a Porsche under the body.
So the chassis is a Porsche.
From what I know, it's the only one on the world. The same with the Golf. It's not a Golf. It's a Porsche.
This is a Porsche?
Yeah, it's a Porsche.
Oh, the
I think
wheels
it's a
are kind of a.
Yeah, it's a. Believe me, under it, it's a Porsche.
It looks so much wider.
Yeah, it is wide. It's like we say, it's not one Golf, it's one and a half Golfs. Just because it's much wider and everything is made for this baby. Even the windshield.
So it's one of two in the world.
One of two in the world. It's the official name is Arts Golf, and there's even a story. The senior boss of this company has owned the car, then sold it, and Dino, the junior boss, thought, no way, we need this car back, and they bought it back.
It's so unique. Ooh.
So gucken, wo das ist.
Oh my gosh. Okay, inside.
Inside as well.
It's so wide. This building looked so small from the outside.
Yeah, it's getting huge as soon as you enter, and there are many different halls and workshops for the several
There's more than this?
works. Yeah, there's much more. But before we go to the best part, I would say I show you the worst part.
The worst part?
Yeah, the worst part. The worst part is actually our treasure room, where some. Yeah, that is not the way we actually want to present ourselves, but because it's in a different look.
Like the new cars that just came in?
Yeah, new, more or less new. Some of them originally with the dust from the desert. These babies just wait for renovation. What we do. We do recycling as well.
So that's the main business?
That is the main business, is recycling. Even though that is the old corporate design, the new one is more with the grey statement. But that's the main business.
Okay. Was this like a personal collection that turned into a business type of thing, or
something like this? Has been before I entered the company 2 months ago. So that one must has developed over like
Sure.
20, 30 years.
This is crazy. Literally candy store.
Trailer room.
Jeez.
These are
Look at a speedster here. Holy cow.
yeah, in red. So I mean, all cars are open. That is newly made.
Oh my gosh. So this one just finished restoration.
It's for sale. Huh? I think it's 265.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, pocket change, buddy.
There's a lot of work that went into this car, I'm sure.
Yeah.
It looks brand new.
Seamless. It's absolutely
Jeez.
stunning.
Yeah, and it's only 15,000 kilometers.
No way.
It's like new. It's like 1,000 a year. No, not less. Like 500 or 600 a year.
Look at the limo. Just slammed it.
That's like the most gangster car. It's so low. Like,
Oh my god.
cars are open, go for it.
Holy sh. That's so cool. There's even a window, like a limo. Okay. More to see. 190
Got some
SL.
more treasures coming up.
Yeah? Oh man. Holy crap. That's beautiful. What? Look at the little shifter.
Yeah.
So cute. I hear a motor. Oh yeah. Nice. Holy cow. Here's the upholstery shop. Oh yeah. Jeez, look at the interior in there.
As you can see on the
Whoa.
later there, we have a shop for all these kind of
Look at this. There's cars everywhere.
now with the
So where are we at now? I thought it was like the break
now
room.
we have like ended up on a Italian piazza, an Italian place, and yeah, as it should be, there are some more Porsches, mostly turbo models, and nice colors. It's a purple,
wow.
or is it?
That is rare. Look at that blue RS.
Okay, it's open now, so we can enter.
Sweet.
Yeah, all cars are open as always. So if you want to have a look,
Nice. Jesus. Look at the target.
it's all turbo.
Turbo.
This model is again with a nice
So many turbo Porsches.
or something like what's the name for it?
Jesus, this is ridiculous. And all of these cars are like spotless inside and out.
Like this, like the old top of Porsche, like no ESP, no ABS, manual station.
There's more rooms? What the heck? Party room.
They just use it twice a year
Oh
maximum.
my gosh. I thought we were done.
Two more rooms left.
Oh my gosh.
Some more
Space, yeah.
space because we've got so many Porsches. We can't store them anymore.
This is ridiculous.
Anybody some space for us?
Yeah. Then I have a cotton mouth. It's like, because I'm running around with open mouth the whole time, it's
Yeah.
like dry mouth. I mean,
The good thing is I'm not hungry anymore because I think I ate several flies.
Das ist schwer zu schätzen, ne? Das Ganze ist difficult.
On to the next room. Oh my gosh.
The value from the X on the balance sheet. Yeah, there's Bentley. That is my favorite car. I don't know why, but I just
Unique color for sure.
seen it before.
Very unique. It's crazy. Oh wow, like the white and the blue. This is ridiculous. Did we finally find the last room?
Yeah.
Well, that's one room with the pink and blue.
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, there's one more.
Check
There's
it
one
out.
more. I forgot the last one. I'm sorry.
No problem, sir.
Yeah, now for sure it's the last room.
Now for sure it's the last
He
room.
said that an hour ago.
You do not need to apologize.
Now we're gonna enter the last room
my
again.
gosh.
And there are some really, really beautiful cars. I would say it's a highlight. The double pair of
Yeah.
colors.
Jeez. Oh my god. I feel bad because I don't know Porsches at all. But yeah, I know these are rare. Holy cow, it's like glowing. Jesus. These cars just glow. Yeah, this is definitely the grand finale room right here.
It's a grand finale. It is.
Jeez. Not a bad stop on a detour, accidentally stumbling across this place. Thank you to Elma for the tour of the shop here. It's one heck of a collection. I think out of all the cars, this would be my choice if I had to take one. I love white and just beautiful, but we're going to stop by here next time we come to Germany and see what the collection is then, because they're going to sell through these cars and bring in new cars. Amazing. We're going to hit the road, go back to the shop in the RS3 and see what they got for us there. Oh. Sheesh. Wow. That is amazing. Oh my god, look at the seats.
That's so cool. Look at this. Yeah, look how awesome that is. Is that style?
Yeah. Thank you again for the hospitality and just opening your doors to let us see anything.
It was our pleasure.
Amazing collection.
I hope you're happy.
Vielen Dank nochmal auch für die Kurzfristigkeit, dass wir hier
Ja,
vorbeischauen
ganz
dürfen.
spontan.
What he said.
Danke. Wir sehen uns bestimmt mal wieder. Ich hoffe. Thank you.
Next time we're in Germany, we're going to stop by and see what you got, because I know you're going to have a whole different collection then.
Also wir kommen wieder, wenn wir dürfen.
Ja, bitte, immer willkommen.
Always welcome, that's it.
Awesome. Thank you. Back to our regularly scheduled program. We're going to head back and see the turbo shop and some cars that just showed up there. They're like, where the heck did everybody go? It was a nice little 2-hour detour. It's clean. He's going to give us a little tour and show us what they do here.
Limited. This is the exhaust housing.
Low speed.
Yeah, exactly. 2,500 RPM or something. Because we're going to 120,000 RPM now.
All right, shout out to Flo. We're ditching the Fabia for a van.
Yeah,
Race mode.